Alright, so here's the start of lesson 5.2. We have more properties of exponents. Let's run through these real quick. We got a power of a product, got power to a power, got a fractional exponent. Okay, those are the rational exponents. And power of a quotient. See how we can distribute that power. Again, I know this is playing kind of fast. Feel free to pause it, rewind it. Okay, one of the things on this last problem, the cube root of 12 times cube root of 18. Okay, you can change those so that's 12 to the 1/3, 18 to the 1/3. Undistribute that 1/3 power, so it's 12 times 18 to the 1/3, and see how it goes from there. Alright, so we got 4th root of 80 divided by 4th root of 5. We can pull out the 1/4 power. 80 divided by 5 is 16. 1/4 power of 16 is 2. Okay, more examples. We see that the 27 goes into 135 5 times. Why do we choose 27? Because it's to the 1/3 power. Okay, again, know those powers. Start working with them. 2 to the 3rd is 8. 3 to the 3rd is 27. Okay, just making a note again, when you take the cube root of it, you don't rewrite the square root sign or the cube root sign. It just goes away. Okay, here's another problem. Notice we got the same base. When you multiply like bases, you're adding the exponents. When you add two fractions, you have to have common denominators. Okay, another problem. We're dividing, so we subtract the exponents. Alright, if we're subtracting the exponents, then we have 5 to the 2/3. Rationalizing the exponents, or rationalizing the denominators. What that means is you cannot have a square root in the denominator. Okay. Notice I'm showing you how come 3 to the 1/2 times 3 to the 1/2 equals 3 to the 1st. We get rid of the denominator. The second problem, 2 to the 1/3, what does it take so that we get 2 to the 1? It takes multiplying top and bottom by 2 to the 2/3 power. Okay, so on top you get 2 to the 2/3, all divided by 2. You can simplify 2 to the 2/3 is the cube root of 2 squared, so it's the cube root of 4 over 2. This concludes the lesson that was covered on Tuesday.